Opo. What do you call this?
Mangga. Mangga. Mangga.
Chicken sa?
Chicken with
Toron.
what?
Toron.
Torong.
Luto na to?
Torong.
Hindi pa. Ay, ano ko ma?
There's a for what you call this?
Toron.
Torong. This is Pinoy Gens. It's a lot of carb food, you know.
Then now, you eat now.
What's the outside?
Proper.
What?
Oh, it's... How's it?
Torong. Oh, Torong. Sounds like Chinese.
Toron. This, mama.
Gens.
Good. Eat now. Come on, you eat. Come on. Good job.
It's Pinoy Gens.
This egg. I don't want.
You're taking off.
Hmm?
It's carb.
Egg with that.
It's good for packing season.
I want this. I'll eat this. Try this one.
Ah, the balot na do. That's the balot.
I want this one.
What's the what?
Balot.
What's the name? Balo. Oh, I tried.
You tried?
I think which one I tried.
He
Yeah.
tried with rice.
It's not compatible with me.
For the beer.
You know, he tried with rice. Yeah, his first time, but he tried with rice.
Not with rice. Only with
Straight
vinegar.
out, I cannot. I can't.
He
I
cannot.
tried.
You tried?
I
no?
failed. I give up on that one.
You failed.
Because
Yeah.
while he's eating, he's alone. He's not with me. That's why.
Try and you failed.
Yeah, I failed.
But congratulations because you tried.
Yeah, but I tried even with lice.
Sir, sir.
Balot.
Balot. It's duck's egg.
I'm starving.
John, you done?
Ay, ang panalo.
Hmm?
Wala pa.
You gotta go now? Let's
Where say?
bounce.
Yes.
Ate, salamat. Sana maganda yung alaw mo.
Ano ma?
Ate is Bisaya.
Ah,
Is that Tagalog?
Balik
She's not Tagalog.
because
She's
I know more
Bisaya.
Tagalog than Bisaya.
His wife is Bisaya, but he knows more Tagalog.
Oh, you're from Bisaya, ma'am?
Mm.
Bisaya ka?
Cebu.
Ah, Cebu man ko.
Asan yun, te?
Mga Bisaya nagtutut to te.
Pardo, luriga mo, dagag kuan, aso.
Ako nagigiptut ako no.
Oh,
Nakoy nga yung balik niya.
oh, tila ulo.
Nakoy nga yung pero wala karon.
Ay, nag-ingon kag unsa man ni tempura?
Kikiam.
Ah, kikiam look. Paborit na ko.
Dara mo yung tiyo, dara.
Loy.
Medyo ko yung guy.
Wa jud. Sure gid ni gikan Cebu. Ingon ako mo silingan.
Yun na. Sige, inahin mo mga silingan.
Siomay tigikan sa tisa na ah.
Oh, lami ako shumay.
Hala mapurdoy man sad mi. Oy, Lord.
Lami dyan ako shumay ga.
Shuma?
Bisaya ako just style.
Oh, ang sauce pod.
Ah.
Sige, try na mo diri pohon kay ang kaning usa limited ra mo gani ang tiyan. Sige siya makaugdaghan
Dili no. Kuan ka siya glawas do.
sa gym mo
Army
siya
siya ka?
trabaho.
Army siya.
Kuan lang gid siya, siyang lawas.